The cryptocurrency revolution gets underway as the Pi network announces the opening of its primary net. The Pi network is the most recent cryptocurrency to gain attention after announcing the opening of their primary net. With the launch of their primary net, the Pi network, which is a cryptocurrency initiative for mobile access that has drawn significant attention, is prepared to start a new chapter. What does the primary net launch of the Pi network actually mean? How will this change the way we think about and use cryptocurrencies? Watch this video to learn more about the Pi network mainnet launch, as we address all of your inquiries and provide you the most updated information. Before we go any further, this channel has resumed its daily giveaway of 50 Pi coins. To be that lucky winner, simply comment Pi network to the moon with the rocket emoji. And don't forget to support our channel by pressing the subscribe and notification bell. Having said all that, let's proceed. The mainnet is a significant turning point in the development of a project in the world of cryptocurrencies. This indicates that the network is prepared in terms of technology for mass user access. In the development of the project, the opening of the Pi network mainnet represents a significant breakthrough. The Pi network is thus poised to completely alter the Bitcoin environment. According to this, a more decentralized, safe, and sustainable future is introduced by the launch of the Pi network mainnet. Users will be able to quickly participate in crypto mining using mobile applications, and this network will be strengthened. The Pi network puts Bitcoin mining in the hands of regular users by utilizing modern blockchain technologies. This is a big step toward everyone having financial freedom. One of the highlights of the launch is the features and functionality given by the Pi network mainnet. The establishment of the Pi network will be made possible by the mainnet application based on digital contracts. This opens up countless possibilities for innovation and growth inside this network. By mining and participating in the network, users will gain from enhanced Pi network incentives as well. The launch of the Pi network mainnet will be very advantageous to miners. When they engage in cryptocurrency mining operations, they will gain from increased earning potential and security. The Pi network enables anyone to take part in the Bitcoin revolution without needing expensive infrastructure in an increasingly decentralized environment. The significance of the Pi network to the Bitcoin industry cannot be emphasized. Due to its user-friendly design, this initiative has attracted the interest and engagement of millions of people worldwide. A turning point in their efforts to firmly establish their position in the Bitcoin business was the launch of the Pi network mainnet. This might spur even more invention and boost public adoption of Bitcoin-related technologies. However challenges persist, Pi network's mission is to usher in the cryptocurrency revolution, which requires them to constantly adjust to new legal requirements and strengthen network security. However, with the dedication and hard work of the project's team, as well as the backing of the growing community, challenges persist. Pi network must constantly adjust to shifting legal requirements and boost network security if they are to usher in the cryptocurrency revolution. However, the Pi network has the potential to achieve incredible success with the dedication and passion of the project's team and the support of a growing community. One of the advantages offered by the Pi network is accessibility. Using a smartphone app, anyone can easily sign up for the Pi network and start earning Pi, the project's virtual currency. The mining of cryptocurrencies, which was formerly limited to the use of specialist technology, is now more widely available and more streamlined. Another positive trait of the Pi network is its approach to privacy and security. In a world that is increasingly connected digitally, privacy is a key concern. The Pi network makes a lot of effort to safeguard user privacy and stop data misuse. By leveraging distinctive consensus mechanisms like as the reputation consensus method, Pi network may validate transactions without disclosing users' private information. Applications and smart contracts have a lot of promise on the Pi network's debut mainnet. This platform enables Pi network ecosystem developers to create unique decentralized applications. Thanks to mainnet, these apps can operate unrestrictedly and securely on the Pi network. This opens up new opportunities for the use of cryptocurrencies in a variety of industries and circumstances. In addition, the Pi network mainnet launch enables users and miners to get higher payments. Users can acquire Pi by actively participating in Pi mining on the network. and they can then use them for a variety of things, including as making purchases on connected platforms or exchanging them for other currencies on built-in exchanges. This opens the door to potential financial and monetary rewards for people who contributed to the creation of the Pi network. It is crucial to remember that the Pi network's extensive journey does not end with the launch of the Mainnet. Pi network will have challenges in attaining long-term viability and growth, much like other cryptocurrency ventures. The challenges that must be solved on this path are scalability, security, and the expansion of a healthy community. In the face of these issues, the Pi network has demonstrated a commitment to constantly upgrading their protocol and network. The initiative uses cutting-edge blockchain technology to offer a productive and secure alternative for mobile Bitcoin mining. Pi network has achieved notable milestones in recent years. Thanks to a vibrant community and productive application releases, the next important step in their journey will be the launch of the Mainnet. As it navigates the future, the Pi network must continue to adjust to cryptocurrency laws and regulations. Strict rules and rule modifications may have a significant effect on how the Pi network operates and expands. The project team must therefore continue to pay attention and confirm that all relevant legal obligations are being followed. Another significant challenge that the Pi network must overcome is scalability. The network must be able to accommodate an increase in users and increased transaction volumes due to the community's rapid growth. Construction of a reliable and effective infrastructure will be essential in addressing this urgent growth. Security is yet another crucial factor. To protect users from threats posed by cybercrime, Pi network's security system must be continually strengthened. The network integrity must be protected from DDoS attacks, hacking, and other fraudulent attempts. In addition to technical challenges, the Pi network needs to foster a strong community. For the initiative to be successful in the long run, it will be crucial to encourage community involvement and input, as well as to ensure miners' ongoing involvement. However, it is impossible to ignore the Pi network's challenges. Complex setup, scalability, security, and community growth are obstacles on this trip. The Pi network has the potential to affect real change in the cryptocurrency industry because of its unwavering devotion, distinctive technology, and growing community support. We shall observe how the Pi network develops into one of the key players in the Bitcoin ecosystem. As the team behind this project expands and works on the project, the Pi network is at the forefront of the cryptocurrency revolution, which is currently under progress. Pi network's goal is crystal clear as they proceed on their journey after the Mainnet's debut. They want to make cryptocurrencies available to everyone. The Pi network is playing a critical role in providing access to the world of cryptocurrencies for people who may have felt excluded in the past or lacked the resources to participate in a society that is becoming more and more digitally connected. Pi network offers user-friendly crypto mining using a mobile app, promoting simplicity and usability to start mining. Pi users don't require specialist hardware or highly developed technical skills. Simply by using the app and doing out routine actions like downloading, chatting with friends, or making a purchase. In addition, the Pi network is worried about the issues of reputation and trust. In order to obtain consensus and validate transactions, user reputation is essential. By doing this, attacks and network abuse are deterred. The reputation built through user behavior can be used by the Pi network to build trust inside its network, to accomplish their goal. Pi network must constantly expand and upgrade the capabilities of their network. That's all for now. Kindly support our channel by pressing the subscribe and notification bell.